everybody, my name is Amy Yoshimitsu with the Ladies of Justice League. Here we are at the Los Angeles County Real Estate Investment Club, and we have this Cashflow game that we play at 4:30 the second Thursday of every month. And the Cashflow game allows you to learn about real estate investing, from wholesaling to rental properties to private money lending, all this type of things that you might need to know for real estate in a fun, interactive way. So the way the game is played is that you pick a certain profession, could be a secretary, an engineer, a business manager and stuff, and you would fill in all this information that's provided for you. So it goes into income, expenses, assets, liabilities. You can play this game and then you can take it home. So basically you can actually put your own information in there. If you go to our site, ladiesjusticeleague.com, there's a Cashflow game information. You can watch the video about the game. You can download the same financial sheet. And there's so much other information that would be valuable for you as a person, individual, family, business owner, or real estate investor. So the way you play the game is basically you roll a dice. Everybody starts off with a rat race, and they have to go around a circle, similar to you going to work. You wake up, you go to work, you come home, next day, same thing. That's a rat race, repeating the same thing over and over again. So when you play this game, depending on where you land, you would move depending on the dice, and you can have a small deal. So you don't know what you're going to have. The small deal might have a stock option, where you can buy it for a certain amount of shares, let's say $10, and then hold it until it sells for $40. You made a profit. Some of the other small deals, it's like this one, which is real estate. It's a house for sale, 3-bed, 2-bath, and you can cash flow 160. So the whole point of this is the more your passive income exceeds your expenses, meaning you make money whether you work or not, then obviously you're the rat race and you can do much larger, bigger deals. And that's where this comes in. This bigger deal would come in, what gives you like $3,000 cash flow, but again, you might have to pay a down payment of $75,000. So a little bigger money at stake, but a higher profit as well. Here, sometimes you roll around and you might end up with a doodad card. As we know, there's unexpected expenses. So sometimes you might have to go to the dentist and get new work. Or this one says buy jewelry for $350. Regardless of whether you need it or not, you never know. It forces you to spend. So it kind of gives you a life example of obviously watch what you spend too. And then you have the market. So sometimes you roll around the dice and you end up with a market thing. So some of this is small business award, and you can sell it and you can make some profit type of thing as well. For real estate, the market might say, oh look, a house buyer, 3-bed and 2-bath. They want to buy your property. Let's say you bought for $50 and they want to buy it for $65,000. Anybody who has a 3-bed and 2-bath can sell and basically either make a profit, or if it's not worth the price, then basically they don't sell. In the deal where wholesale comes in is basically if you find, let's say, that 3-bed and 2-bath, and you're like, I don't have the money, don't have the funds, you can try and find another player who might want to buy it from you, and you can wholesale it to them.
How many people can play this game?
About 6, but you can partner up in things like the thing. And we have a couple board games, so that leaves up to 12 people. So you would put all this information on your sheet, the mortgage, the monthly payment, and of course your cash flow, with increases the income. So same thing, wholesaling. If you can't afford to buy it yourself or you don't want it, you can basically wholesale it to another player, or you can joint venture and partner where both of you split the cost of the property and then split the cash flow. Because the whole thing of this game is to get out of the rat race so you can do bigger deals. Anyway, that's it. Go to our site, ladiesofjusticeleague.com, and you can find more about this video. Go to our YouTube channel, ladiesofjusticeleague.com/YouTube, and make sure you share it, like it, or subscribe to it. There's a lot more valuable information either at the website or on the YouTube channel.
Should people comment as well?
Yeah, make a comment, give positive feedback. Any other questions you might have or topics you're interested in, that's the place to do it. Stay tuned. We have a lot of valuable information, and we'll continue providing that for you. All right. Thanks a lot.